Gold H4 time frame. Last week price breakout that key trendline support, and that movement from top to bottom was more than $100. And this is same what you saw in February month and what you saw this month. Everything was same to same. And last week everything happened same as expected. This was your top which was made after FOMC meeting. Same here. Then bottom after Fed speech. This was your bottom and this is your correction bottom. Now Fed has confirmed that this was your last hike, and next FOMC you will see rate pause. So we are bullish from this level. And our first key resistance is 2001. It is key horizontal resistance level, and when price close of this level, technically it will confirm bottom. But based on macro trend, correction of gold price has complete, because there is not one thing which is happening right now, that is your rate pause, similar like 2008 crisis. But there is one more thing which is debt crisis, that is similar like 2011. And third thing is your stagflation, which happened only one time in 70s. So right now gold is following three different correlation. And what you saw here, when gold made new high after FOMC, this is FOMO buying by hedge fund against debt ceiling crisis, and they were buying from this top to this bottom. These are hedge fund and these are big position, because debt ceiling have two step. First one is market crash, then they print money, or second, that is your only solution, is money printing. If they print money before market crash, then gold will go up vertically. Or if they first wait for market crash, then gold will go up because of hedging. And these hedge funds are doing in FOMO mode. And now market pricing for your rate hike is completely end. On this bottom was your 6% terminal rate, and since February FOMC meeting there is no change in terminal rate, 4.75 in Fed watch tool. That is why there is no change in gold price. It is where it was 1960, 3 months ago. And since rate hike has completely ended after confirmation from Fed last week, but market pricing for rate cut is not completely done. So until market pricing for rate cut complete, gold will go up. That is first thing. And second thing is your debt crisis. And this is your daily chart. Gold price repeated same thing, same market psychology at 1959 level. After breakout, this was your retest, and last leg has complete 38% retracement. Now price is ready to make new high. And since FOMO buyer who bought at 2080, they must have already dead after $120 collapse. They can watch my old video to get our upside target. But this can be your possible parallel channel chart pattern. same like which you saw last year. Not perfect that every high and low testing trend line of channel, but that was a parallel channel. Now gold weekly time frame. This is your vertical movement on 2011 debt crisis. It went up vertically. So until Biden government solved that debt ceiling crisis, gold will not stop. And last year and this year you will see complete opposite thing. This year you will see dollar and gold both going in same direction. And if you have remembered all the speech given by President Trump, then first it was Russia, after Ukraine invasion, now it is China, and after this recession in 2024 more country will join, and they all are coming out of dollar and they are going into gold. So both will go up as a reserve currency, because this top all-time high was made after debt crisis was solved. And after 3 attempts of this top, price retested that weekly support zone and it showed rejection technically, and we also have confirmation by Fed. So in upcoming week, no stop before our all-time high 2080, and you can see this will be 4th attempt of this all-time high resistance zone, and once price breakout it will only go vertical. And your news debt ceiling is already ready for that vertical movement. And gold M30 time frame for intraday trader, these are your key resistance level, and first technical confirmation will be breakout above 1985, and if you buy below 1985 there is no resistance before 2001, and after breakout of this level technically you can confirm that this was your bottom. And this week you have so many news like last week, and all of them were political news. Like I said, first news this week is China interest rate decision, then global PMI number, and small central bank like New Zealand interest rate decision, and GBP CPI number. But most important for US dollar is your GDP number and core PCE, and if these two number drops then that will be bullish sign for gold. But Fed has confirmed they have made decision for rate pause, and since rate pause is confirmed, so no need to wait for FOMC minute this week. But let's see what information we can get from FOMC minute, because next step is first rate cut. So from Monday to Friday you have so many news, and you will see big price action, minimum $50 this week.
Be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm